Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, how are you all? My name is Yogesh, and we are continuing chapter number 3, Standard 12th, Statistics, Gujarat Board, and chapter number 3 of part 1, that is linear regression. Okay, we have continued and completed some of the topic of this chapter. What you have learned in this chapter is the regression line y on x. You remember it? Yes, good. What we were doing in this regression line, there were 3 steps I taught you. What were those steps? Step 1 was to find b. Okay, step 1 was to find b. Then step 2 was to find a. What was step 2? It was to find a. Then step 3 was to find y cap. Okay, what was step 3? It was to find y cap. Now formula of a was y bar minus bx bar. Formula of a was y bar minus bx bar. Formula of y cap, that is step 3, was a plus bx. Formula for step 3 was a plus bx, and formula for step 1, that is b, there were multiple formulas. Okay, you can revise that formulas by your own, and I hope you all are having book, pen, calculator with you so that you can write with me. Then we have done a small topic of error. Error was actual minus estimate, that is y minus y cap, and I told you that y, that is actual, will always be given in the question. Actual will always be given in the question. Okay, then in last lecture we have started in formula called shortcut formula. The formula was b is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. In that formula, what was our objective? Our objective was to convert x and y in u and v, to convert x and y in u and v. Why so? Because our objective was to reduce the digits given in the question. Say for example, if in question the digits are in hundreds, 200, 300, what you will do? Okay, if you will solve with the xy formula, then your calculation might be quite difficult and cumbersome. Okay, so what you will do, you will convert those x and y into u and v, and you are converting, you will subtract a digit like that, all the digits get small in the numbers. Now let me remind you, we are in the 3rd chapter, so whatever I am teaching, it applies only to the 3rd chapter. Sir, why you are telling so? We know that we are doing 3rd chapter. I am telling so because these formula that is related to u and v, shortcut formula, is in 2nd chapter also, and it is in 3rd chapter also. Yes, in that chapter we were finding r, and then in this chapter we are finding u, but the formula is same. It is somewhat same, it's not same obviously. It's n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square here, and there in denominator there was a factor of v and factor of root there. Okay, so what I am telling, let's continue. I am telling you that we are in the chapter number 3, and when you are doing the shortcut formula, and in that shortcut formula, especially when you are dividing the digit. Sir, what is dividing the digit? When you find u, it's not like always you subtract the number. Sometimes it happens that you need to divide the number. Why, sir? Say for example, all the digits are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Then what you will do? To reduce that digit, you have to divide it by 100. So that is my topic. If you divide any digit, okay, if you divide any digit, this is my topic. It relates again to 3rd chapter. If you divide in regression, then and then you have to learn this particular topic. If you divide any digit while forming u, we will name as cx. What we will name as cx. If you divide any digit while forming u, we will we will name that particular digit as cx. And if you divide that digit while forming v, if you divide that digit while forming v, then it will name as cy. I have written on the screen, you can see cx is digit divided while forming u, cy is digit divided while forming v. What is cx? Digit divided while forming u. What is cy? It is digit divided while forming v. So what is this? It is a bit difficult. Okay, just we are doing a sum, then you can understand. But just learn this formula. There is a small change in the formula. What is that small change? Cy upon cx is multiplied in this formula. Cy upon cx is multiplied in this formula. So yes, just remember that when you divide any digit while forming u and v, when you divide any digit while forming u and v, then what you have to do, you have to multiply the formula by cy upon cx. You have to multiply the formula by cy upon cx. Okay, just remember these things. What these things are, we'll catch up in the next sum which we'll be doing now. So now we'll be doing illustration 5 from your textbook. Let me read the question. Following observation are obtained for life of car and average maintenance cost of the special model of car of a particular company. Life of car is given in the question. It's 2 years, 4 years, 6 years and 8 years. Average annual maintenance cost in 1000 rupees is given the question. It's like 10,000, 20,000, 25,000 and 30,000. You have to obtain the regression line of maintenance cost and also obtain the estimated cost if life is 10 years. Now what we will do basically, just see. You have x 2, 4, 6, 8 and y 10, 20, 25, 30. Let's try this formula and let's find u by dividing n digit. What we have done? We have subtracted 4 from the x. Okay, let's take an example. X is 2. Okay. Now how you will find v? It's 2 minus 4. What is 2 minus 4? It's minus 2. Then minus 2 upon 2. It should be minus 1. Okay. Then how we will find u? How will you find u when x is 4? Okay, so let's take x is 4. Then 4 minus 4, 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. Then when x is 6, it's 6 minus 4, 2. 2 upon 2, 1. When x is 8, 8 minus 4, 4. 4 upon 2, 2. Okay. So this way we have found the u. Then we will find v. What we will find in v? We will subtract 20 and divide the 5. What we will do? We will subtract 20 and divide 5. So when you are subtracting 20, it's 10 minus 20, that is minus 10. Minus 10 upon 5, so it is minus 2. Same way we will do when y is 20, the same way we will do when y is 25, and same way we will do y is 30. Let's do it. If it's 25 minus 25, 5 by 5, 1. If it's 30 minus 20, 10, 10 by 5, 2. Okay. Now total of u and v is 1. What you will do? You will find uv. It's u multiplied by v. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. Then we will find u square. 1, 0, 1, 4, 6. Total is 6. Okay, you can write in your book and pen. If you have divided the digits while forming u and v, that is our topic. In this sum we have divided. Yes, you can see straight away in the question that it is divided. So in u, 2 is divided. So what is 2? This 2 will be termed as Cx. Yes. Yes. So we so what I was telling, that when you divide any digit, okay, when you are dividing any digit while forming x, okay, you have divided 2 here. Now what we will name this 2 as, we will name this 2 as Cx. What we will name this 2 as Cx, okay, digit divided while forming u. Then what we will name this digit? 5. We have divided 5 while forming v. We will name this digit as Cy, okay, this digit will be termed as Cy, okay. So Cx is digit divided by forming u, and Cy is digit divided while forming v. Perfect. Okay. Now let's continue the sum. So how we will solve this sum? N is 4, sigma u is 2, sigma v is 1, sigma uv is 7, u square is 6, Cx is 2 and Cy is 5. Bxy is okay. Now what you have to do, your formula is bit change, you have to multiply Cy upon Cx. Yes, you have to multiply Cy upon Cx. So it's n sigma uv, 4 into 7, 28, minus sigma u sigma v, it's 2 into 1, 2, upon n sigma u square, it's 4 into 6, 24, minus square of 2, that is 4, okay. So 28 minus 2 is 26, 24 minus 4 is 20, 26 upon 20 is 1.3 into 5 by 2 is 3.25. So A is y bar minus bx bar. What is y bar? You know how to find y bar? Okay, take the calculator and find. It's total of y upon n. What is total of y? You can see in the question, upon n. What is n? N is 4. So as you will find y bar, it's 21.25 minus b into x bar. What is b? B is you have solved just now, it's 3.25 into x bar. What is x bar? X bar is 5. So 3.25 into 5 is 16.25. 21.25 minus 16.25 is 5. Okay. So what is y cap? It's 5 plus 3.25 x. So if you will solve this sum without dividing, okay, let's solve this sum with x and y without dividing, then also answer is same, okay. Answer of b will be 3.25, a will be 5, y cap will be 5. But if you divide the digit, then you have to change the formula by multiplying Cy upon Cx, that's it. If you don't divide, then there is no problem, okay. If you don't divide, then there is no problem. But if you are dividing, then you should take care that the formula must be changed, okay. When you are dividing, you must take care that formula should be changed, okay. So now let's do the next sum. Illustration number 6. A sample of 7 students is taken from the students coming from abroad in the current year to study in the University of Gujarat State. The information regarding their IQ and marks obtained in an examination of 75 marks is given below. Student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, IQ marks, IQ is 85, 95, 100, 90, 110, and marks is 46, 50, 50, 45, 60, 70, 40. Obtain the regression line y on x and estimate the marks whose IQ is 1. Also find the error in estimation when IQ is 100. Okay. So what is the data given in the question? Data is x given and y given. What is x? It's 85, 95, 100, 90, 110, and what is y? It's 46, 50, 50, 45, 60, 70, 40. There are multiple questions. One question is you have to find regression line y on x. Just focus on the question. Okay, last 2 lines is of the question. You have to find line y on x. This is first question. Second question, you have to estimate when IQ is 120. Okay, so when x is 120, you have to find the answer. Then third question is you have to find the error when IQ is 100. Okay, so when IQ is 100, you would find the error. So yes, first of all, let's find as x bar. Okay, take your calculator with you. Total of x is 675, n is 7, so x bar will be 675 upon 7. Then yes, what is x bar? 96.43. Then let's find y bar. What is y bar? Y bar is sigma y upon n. Sigma y is total of y upon n. So total of y is 361 upon n is 7. So 361 upon 7 is 51.57. So total of x is 675 and total of y is 361, and now we will find u. As you can see that x value of x is 85, 95, 100, 90, 110. So it is bit lengthy, or you can say it's bit large value. Okay, we will subtract 95 and we will divide 5. What we will do? We will subtract 95 and we will divide 5 to 8. So if we subtract 85 minus 95, it is minus 10. Minus 10 upon 5 is minus 2. 95 minus 95 is 0. 0 upon 5 is 0. 100 minus 95 is 5. 5 by 5 1. 90 minus 95 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 5 is minus 1. 110 minus 95 is 15. 15 upon 5 is 3. 125 minus 95, it's 30. 30 by 5 is 6. 70 minus 95 is minus 25. Minus 25 by 5 is minus 5. Total is 2. Then let's jump to the v. V is what? Y minus 50. So 46 minus 50 is minus 4. 0 0. 45 minus 50 is minus 5. Then 10, 20 and minus 10. So basically what we have in this question, we have subtracted 95 and divided by 5 while forming u. We have subtracted 50 while forming v. While forming v, we have not divided any digit, and while forming u, we have divided digit 5. Sir, is it okay? We can divide in 1 and we don't divide into 2, it will be good? Yes, it will be good. It is fine if you divide in x and if you don't divide in v, or vice versa, or anything. Okay, as I told you, if you are dividing, then you have to make the changes. If you don't divide, then it's okay. And if you are dividing in u and not dividing in v, it is fine, it's good. So the total of u is 2, total of v is 11, total of uv is 213, and the total of u square is 76. So let us find the answer. N is 7, total of u is 2, total of v is 11, total of uv is 213, total of u square is 76, cx is 5, cy is 1, x bar is 96.43, y bar is 51.57. Okay, x bar and y bar, you know how to find total of x upon n and total of y upon n. Cx is 5, you have divided 5 while forming u. Cy, see what I have taken cy, I have taken cy is 1. Sir, where was 1? If you have not divided any digit, then that digit is automatically 1. Okay, so you have to put 1 there to solve the sum. Okay, otherwise you will feel that what to take cy, what to take in formula. Okay, take cy is 1, 1 will not affect the answer anyhow. Okay, 1 is a very great digit, you know. So now let's put in the formula. N is 7, sigma uv is 213, sigma u is 2, sigma v is 11 upon n is 7, sigma u square is 76 minus sigma u whole square is what is sigma u? Sigma u is 2, so 2 square is into cy upon cx. Cy is 1 and cx is 5. You all are writing with me? Yes or no? Then if you multiply 213 into 7, then it's 1491 minus. If you multiply 11 into 2, it's 22 upon 7 into 76 is 532. Square of 2 is 4. So 1491 minus 22, that is 1469 upon 528 into 1 by 5. 2.78 into 1 by 5 is 0.56. A is y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 51.57 minus b is 0.56. X bar is 96.43. A is equal to y 51.57 minus 0.56 into 96.53. So if you multiply 96.43 into 0.56, it's 54. 51.57 minus 54 is minus 2.43. Now let's take y cap. Y cap is minus 2.43 plus 0.5x. Now one question you have to solve it. Which one question, sir? One question was asked, estimate the marks whose IQ is 120. So when x is 120, what is y cap? That particular point you have to find by your own. I have not mentioned here purposely. Okay. So take x as 120, put in this formula. Which formula? In the formula of y cap, and then find the y cap. So that is your small additional homework. Got it? Then we will find. Okay, next, what is our next question? Our next question is to find the error when IQ is 100. Okay, so when IQ is 100, you have to find error. You know what is error? Okay, turn the pages and find what is error. Error is actual minus estimate. What is error? Error is actual minus estimate. What is actual? I told you that actual will always be in the question. Actual will always be in the question. So they have told you to find the error when IQ is 100. So just check in the question, is IQ 100 is given? Yes or no? Yes, IQ 100 is given. Now if IQ is 100, then what is y? So y is 50. What this y is named as, what this 50 will be named as? This 50 will be named as y. We will name as actual. Yes, what we will name as? We will name as actual. So the formula of error is y minus y cap. So it is actual minus estimate. Okay, what it is? Actual minus estimate, and we have found the actual. Then how we will find the estimate? We will find the estimate value of x 100 in the y cap. Yes, so if you put x 100 in y cap, the formula will be like y cap is minus 2.43 plus 56. 56 minus 2.43 is 53.57. Yes, so 53.57 is estimate, 50 is actual. Now we will find the error. What is error? Error is y minus y cap. Y is 50, y cap is 53.57. So your error is 3.57. What is your error? Error is 3.57. So today we have done two sums, and yes, what we have done basically, we have done basically a topic of dividing